And that bravery was rewarded. Now, the other part which we'll get to is we're not going to speculate on Christian Pulisic until we get more information, but you don't get withdrawn at halftime after playing a half like that. There isn't zero. That's not a tactical sub. You're making 3-0. Your star player who's just starting in the World Cup with this team. So we'll see as we go on.
Jimmy Taff, who has been speaking with the U.S. coaching staff, what can you tell us?
Well, Jesus Perez, John, very happy with that first half performance. I asked him right away, is that the best half you've ever had under you and Mauricio Pochettino? He said, I'm not going to go there yet. I'm very pleased with the way we're performing. We answer. We're finding space in between the back line. Everyone is connected and causing damage. But it's an interesting note about Christian Pulisic because I asked him about his performance. He did not give me the heads up that he would not be starting this half. But guys, I'm sitting right here. Christian walked right by me. Friends and family behind me. He motioned up, I'm okay, in the slightest of ways. So I'm trying to find out the latest from Pulisic.
That's a good thing to it.
Yeah.
Right? You're gonna blow up in my face?
Yeah, I know. You're shaking it, that's why.
Damn, that shit is the Patron.
Yeah, they put Latin fluid in there.
That's just bomb on.
Yep,
That's it is Patron.
they put a shot of Coleman fluid.
Trying a little bit.
It's good.
It's Coleman fluid.
Oh, yeah.
And it's a good note, John, about how this team manages the second half.
Red phosphorus in a glass.
Get drawn into a game in the back line zone. But they're going to give it a go.
Traffic, Concerts has it now. Concerts crossing in. He didn't get there. Adams did not fall. Click on your off. Blocked by his own teammate Sinatra.
That's it. We'll drink it. Fuck it. In here. You want to be generous, huh?
You can see should not have been it's the reaction afterwards you have to be careful of because they will try to incite that type of reaction from you, knowing that look, if they can get you to make a silly decision, you get a red card, it flips the momentum back in their favor. So it's
Losing his effective shot. It's about for a corner. That's a great example of how quickly you're back on your heels.
yeah, you're making a careless pass across the field. Hurls tries to make the foul, doesn't get enough of Gomez. Then he goes wide. Reed does a good job of forcing it wide and getting enough of contact on his man receiver. No challenges the underside of his right foot.
Who's coming, bud? Oh, the food is good, huh, Chris?
Duration 3 minutes.